What's up, kiddos? It's Mr. Rodkey again, back for video number 2. Now, for all the experiments we do together, it is important that you have adult supervision. But for this one today specifically, it is extra important that you have adult supervision just because this one is a little bit more dangerous. Also, for kindergarten through 4th grade, you're only gonna have to watch the beginning of this video. You don't need to worry about the last part. The last part is forbidden unless you're in 5th grade. Only 5th graders watch the last part. That being said, let's get right to it. Today, we are talking about air pressure. And in case you don't know what pressure is, it's just when you're pushing really hard against something. A better example, if you can imagine, you're out hanging out with your family and your cousin sits on top of you. You're being crushed under your cousin because your cousin is putting pressure on your body. Today we're talking about air pressure. Your materials for this experiment: empty water bottle, safety goggles. In case you're wondering why safety goggles look like sunglasses, because they're sunglasses. Now what I want you to remember about the water bottle is while it looks empty, it's actually full of air. And there's also little tiny water droplets still stuck to the side of the bottle, which is fine. I actually want that and you're gonna see why. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on my safety goggles. Now that I have goggles on to protect my eyes, I'm gonna take my water bottle and I'm gonna unscrew the lid just a little bit. Not all the way, I just want it to be a little bit more loose. And I also put this black bag here just so you can see the effects of the experiment a little bit better. Now, with my cap not off but loosened, I'm gonna take my water bottle and squeeze the bottom and start to twist it. And the reason I'm doing this is I'm now forcing all the air that was in the bottom to come to the top. So the water bottle still has the same amount of air, it just has less space to fit all of it, so the pressure is much higher. So now that the pressure is high, I can unscrew the lid and release all the pressure. And you're gonna see what happens when we release that pressure super fast. So I take the lid, I unscrew it to release the pressure, and you can see the steam coming out of the water bottle. So the reason that happens is when I increase the pressure in the water bottle and then release it super fast, those water molecules will condense. They will come together into a cloud so you can see them. All right, that's your experiment for the week. If you are in kindergarten through 4th grade, you're free to go. Ask an adult, help you try it out. I did get comments from 5 or 6 kids. So from those 5 or 6 kids, awesome job, I appreciate it so much. For everyone else, leave a comment so I know you're actually trying these things and I can mark you down. Kindergarten through 4th grade, you're free to go. The last part you are not allowed to see, it is forbidden. Turn off the video now. Go do something else, okay? Go do your other work. You're done with this. This now is only for 5th grade. I'm gonna give them a second to go. Okay, 5th grade. Now that it's just us, I have something important to tell you. I know that this is gonna come as a surprise for all of you. You are all gonna be shocked. I'm not actually made of steel. I know that this is super surprising to all of you. I know that all of you really believe that I was made of steel. So do me a favor, don't tell the younger kids. It's gonna break their heart. I know that most of you have seen my smoke trick, and I know that I tricked you and you thought it was because there was a fire in my belly. But today I have the sad news to tell you that that's not the reason why. It's actually because of the same reason I just showed you with the water bottle. So now I am gonna show you my smoke trick. So here's the trick first. I just put the black bag there again so you can see the smoke a little bit better. So let me break it down for you. What I'm doing when I'm doing this, I'm just flicking my tongue on the top of my mouth like this. And keeping my mouth closed because I'm just collecting moisture for me to pressurize. When you see me do this, I'm putting my hand in front of my mouth because I don't want any air to leave or else that pressure will be lost. I'm just blowing air really hard against my lips to increase the pressure in my cheeks. I'm pushing so hard that there's so much pressure in my cheeks that it hurts because that's how I'm pressurizing that moisture. Then at the end, all I do, I don't blow out. I just open my mouth to release the pressure really fast so those water molecules can condense into a cloud so you can see. And remember, condensation is just that water vapor going from a gas to a liquid so you can see it like a cloud, like how dew forms on grass in the morning. All right, so that's all I have for you. 5th graders, do me a favor. Don't tell the younger grades how to do the trick. Don't show them how to do the trick. Now, if you want to, you can tell them that you're made out of steel and you have a fire in your belly because you know how to breathe water vapor out of your mouth now. Leave a comment so I know you're watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Try it out. I'm out.